Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'll show you how to set an app timer for usage on an Android 15 phone. This feature is helpful if you spend several hours on an app daily and want to set a usage limit. It's also useful for parents who want to manage their child's screen time on games or other apps. Here's how you can do it. Go to Settings on your phone, tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, next tap App Limits. Select the app you want to set a timer for. Let's use Facebook as an example. You'll now see your app usage over the past 7 days. Tap App Timer. Set your desired time limit, for example 1 hour. Finally, tap OK. And that's it. Once you've reached the limit, your Android phone will disable the app for the rest of the day. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.